2006 Gen 1 Mini Cooper, and I'm going to show you how to remove a headlight assembly. So it's actually really easy to do this. There's three nuts you need to remove. There's two. And there's one, and you can do this when the light is sitting in the hole. There's two of the places where the threads go, and the nut goes on the back of that. And here's the other one. So here's a zoom out view of that. And so you undo those three nuts, then remove the electrical connector right here. Just press the tab in the back, press this tab right here, and then pull that off. That's for the crazy washer thing. When you look at this thing like this, how's it gonna fit through the hole? It doesn't fit through the hole. So easy solution to that. There's two screws on this situation right here, and it flips back. And then you can just pull it straight out through the hole. You may have noticed I had the trim off, so I'm going to show you how to take the trim off first. I'm going to show you this little washer doohickey here. So there's a piece of trim that goes like that, and the back of this thing hooks onto this washer assembly right here, and it's very easy to get off and focus. You just have to push in those two tabs. There we go. There's two tabs on the end of this washer thing. You see the fluid comes out right there, and then this just pulls right off, and you can see how that goes like that. So I would suggest to maybe do that first, just to get it out of the way. Oh yeah, so this thing comes off the washer assembly. There's a tab right here, and you push this tab towards the body of the unit here. Anyway, you just push that tab in and then pull on this thing, and it comes out. You'll figure that out pretty quick. And this thing protrudes out when there's pressure on it. That's what that is. Okay, now the trim piece. Now this is very interesting. So from the bottom, so you flip up the bottom, and there's some little tabs. Here's one. There's three of them. Here's another one. And there's another one on this side that broke off, and interesting, it broke off in that same position on the other headlight. But basically what you need to do is just slowly, and I just use two flathead screwdrivers, pry this out, and you can see there's double-sided tape here. Here's the back of it, and here's where it went right here. So there's at least three places. Let me see here, 4 places. So you can see the 4 dark spots. That's where the double-sided tape is. So you'll need to just gently go behind there with a small flathead and pry this off. Now once you get it off, so again, this is kind of weird. This is the bottom, but once it goes off, once you get those off, then you just push it down. So the tabs on the bottom are not clips; they're just tabs, and it just captured it. So one more time. So this is how you get this thing. You get the top clips off, you pull it out, and then push it down, and then it just pops off. And it's plastic, so I'm gonna get that painted some color. I'm getting a new lightweight carbon fiber hood.